Now, the New Testament does not itself say what should be in the New Testament. And it is the tradition that decided which books belong in the Bible. The Bible does not tell us what books should be in the Bible. It cannot talk about itself before it is formed. And according to Dr. Stanley,
Baka may magreklamo, magtagalog ka naman daw.
according to Dr. Stanley Porter, a Protestant biblical scholar, in his book, How We Got the New Testament, Text Transmission and Translation, on page 106. May nag-request gusto nyo na English o English ko. Mamaya na tayo magtagalog. Tradition says that during his lifetime, Paul wrote 13 letters that we now have in our collection of Pauline epistles. So Dr. Porter is talking about the early canon list. That is the list of what should be in the new
Protestant book yan.
Yes, this is Dr. Stanley Porter, a well-known Protestant biblical scholar. Okay? So now, sola scriptura is incompatible with any kind of reading of scripture because all readings involve interpretation.